Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your mobile camera before you begin the Afcat capture process. Set the camera to 12 MP or higher and choose JPEG format for reliable uploads. Adjust resolution so the final crop can be 5 inches by 5 inches with the head centered. Use a plain white background and remove hats or glasses unless medically required. Turn off beauty filters and set exposure to natural light for true skin tones. Keep the file size under 200 KB before you proceed to live capture. Position your phone at eye level and maintain a distance of about 5 feet from the subject. Ask the candidate to sit straight, look directly into the lens, and relax their face for a neutral expression. Use natural light from the front and avoid harsh side shadows for even illumination. Tap to focus on the eyes and enable a 2-second delay to reduce motion blur during capture. Capture multiple frames and select the sharpest image with correct framing for upload. After selecting the sharpest frame, crop the image to a 5 inches square with the head occupying about 60% of the height. Make small exposure and color corrections only. Avoid heavy retouching that alters appearance or identity. Compress the JPEG so the file size is under 200 KB while preserving clarity for facial recognition. Rename the file according to the portal convention and upload it to the Afcat application page. Confirm the preview matches requirements before final submission to avoid rejection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.